Good morning, student. Today we will discuss our fourth unit, Physical Education and Sports for Children with Special Needs. Disability. Disability, it is an impairment which does not permit an individual to perform any activity or movement in a normal way. For example, if a person's leg is cut, then he can't walk properly. Disability, it may be present from birth or occurs during a person's lifetime. Disability, it can't be cured. It usually permanent. Disorders, in disorders, the person has ability to do an activity, but due to some problem he is not able to do activity, to do the work. This is known as disability. Okay, the person has ability to do the work, but due to some problem he is not able to do that work. This is disability. For example, if a person leg is cut, he is able to walk, but due to leg cut he is not able to walk properly. And disability, it is permanent. It can't be cured. Disability, it's generally related to body part. Disability, it is a medical conditions. It is disability. It is an impairment. Disability, it is an impairment which does not permit an individual to perform any activity activities or movement in a normal way. Okay, disability. What is disability? Disability, it is an impairment which does not permit an individual to perform any activities or movement in a normal way. For example, if a person is blind, eye disability means the person is blind. He can't see. Okay, due to blind, his daily activity is affected. Disability, it may be present from birth or occurs during one's lifetime. Okay, disability, it mainly disability, it mostly, okay, disability mostly linked with body part. This disability, it generally can't be, generally has no cure. It is permanent. This is about the disability. Okay, disability. What is disability? Disability, it is an impairment which may be cognitive, which may be physical, cognitive, which may be cognitive, developmental, intellectual, physical, sensory, or some combinations of this. Disability, it may be present from birth or occurs during a person's lifetime, like due to accident, due to injury. Mostly disability, it is mostly linked with body part. Disability, it has no cure, it is permanent. For example, if a person is blind, then it is completely blind, it can't be cured, it is permanent. Disability, disability, this is about the disability. Next is disorder. Disorders, it mainly related to disorders, it is mainly related to mind, mental problem. Disorder, it is a problem or illness which affect someone mind or body. It is generally related to mental problems. Disorders, it can be cured, it is not permanent. Sensory processing disorders, example, sensory processing disorders, attention deficit hyperactivity disorders, etc. What is disorder? Disorders, it is a problem, it is a problems or illness, it is a problems or illness which affect someone mind or body. Disability, it is usually related to generally related to mental problem. Mental disability, disorders. Okay, disorders. What is disorder? Disorders, it is a problem or illness which affects someone's mind or body. It is mainly related to mental problems. Disorders, it is not permanent, it can be cured. For example, eye weakness, if a person has eye disability means eye weakness. If a person has eye weakness, then he can see, but due to disorders is not able to see properly. And if proper care is taken, if proper treatment is done, then it can become normal. Okay, this is about the disorders. Disorders means it is a problem or illness which affects someone's mind or body. It usually related to mental problems. In the beginning, in the beginning disorders seems to be normal. Seems to be normal, but usually grow or spread in a harmful manner. In a harmful manner in an individual. Disorders, if not cured, disorder, if not cured, it may change into disability. If disorder is not cured on time, then it may change into disability, and if it changes into disability, then it becomes permanent. It can't be cured. Disorders. This is about the disorders. Disorders. What is disorder? Disorders, it is a problem or illness. Which general disorder, it is a problems or illness which affects someone mind or body. General related to mental problems. Disorders, it can be cured. ठीक है, disorder को हम cure कर सकते हैं. It can be cured. And if disorder is not cured, if proper care is not taken, then disorders, it change into disability. And if it change into disability, then the person's, then it become permanent. It can't be cured. Disorders. This is about the disability and disorders. Let's differentiate between disability and disorders. What is the difference between disability and disorders? Disability. Disability, disorders. Disability and disorders. What is disability? Disability, it is disability, it is a impairment, it is a disadvantage. Disability, it is a disadvantage that make a person incapable or restrict the functioning of body part. Okay, disability. What is disability? Disability, it is disadvantage. It is disability, it is disadvantage that make a person's disability, it is a disadvantage that make a person incapable and restrict his normal functioning. Disability. What is disability? Disability, it is a disadvantage that make a person incapable and restrict his normal functionings. And disorders. Disorder क्या है? Disorder, it is a disorders. What is disorder? Disorders, it is a disturbance. It is disadvantage. Disability, it is disadvantage. Disability, it is disturbance. Cause to normal function of a person. Means disability. What is disability? Disability, it is a disadvantage. And disorders, It is a disturbance. Disability, it is an disadvantage. Disorders, it is a disturbance. It's only disturb. Disability, it is permanent. And this disorder, it is not permanent. Can't cure. It can't be cured. And it can be cured. This is different between disability and disorders. Disability, it is disadvantage that make a person's incapable or restrict his normal functioning. And disorders, what is disorder? Disorder, it is a disturbance. It's only disturbance to his normal functioning of a body part. Disability, it is permanent. It can't be cured. Disability, it is not permanent. It can be cured. For example, physical impairment, cognitive, cognitive disability, intellectual, etc. And disorders, for example, attention deficit hyperactivity disorders, sensory processing disorders, autism spectrum disorders, etc. This is the difference between disability and disorders. Disability, it is impairment. Disability, what is disability? Disability, it is an impairment which does not permit an individual to functions, which does not permit an individual to perform any activities or movement in a normal way. For example, if a person is blind, then it is disorders. For example, eye disability and eye disorders. Eye disability means the person is completely blind. He can't see. It can't be cured. Eye disability means due to eye weakness, he faces problem in seeing properly. He is able to see, but due to eye weakness, he is unable to see properly. Therefore, his normal functioning is normal daily activities is affected. Okay, if eye disorders, if proper treatment is taken on time, then it can be cured. But if treatment is not taken, then it changes into disability, and if it changes into disability, it can't be cured. But eye disability, it is permanent. It can't be cured. For example, a person's leg is cut, then it is cut. It is permanent. Disability, it may be present from birth or occurs during a person's lifestyle. It is generally related to body part. There are different types of disability: attention, physical impairment, cognitive disability, intellectual disability, etc. Disorders, it is generally related to mental problems. Disorders, it creates problems or illness in normal functioning of body part. Disorders, in the beginning, it seems to be normal, but it grow in a harmful manners, and if it is not detected on time, then it changes into disability, and if it changes into disability, it becomes permanent. It can't be cured. This is about the disability and disorders. Next is types of disability. There are three types of disability: physical impairment, cognitive disability, and intellectual disability. These are the three types of disability. Physical impairment. Physical impairment, types of first, second, third. Physical impairment, okay, physical impairment, cognitive or learning disability, and intellectual disability. These are the three types of disability. First, physical impairment. Physical impairment means related to his body. Physical impairment. Physical disability. Physical impairment means physical disability. Physical disability, it affects a person's ability to use his upper or lower limb. Okay, physical impairment means it affects a person's ability to use his upper or lower limb. Limitations. It is a limitation in an individual physical functioning. Physical impairment, it may be present from birth or occurs during a person's lifestyle. It is generally due to illness, accident, or malnutrition. Physical impairment generally related to musculoskeletal system, circulatory system, respiratory systems, etc. Cognitive disability. Okay, physical impairment क्या है? Physical impairment, if a person is affected from physical impairment, then he will not able to use his upper or lower limb. It's generally related to body part, not able to use his body limb, upper limb, lower limb. Physical disability, musculoskeletal system, circulatory system, respiratory system, etc. Next is cognitive disability, cognitive or learning disability. Cognitive, or we can say learning disability, it is generally related to neuromuscular disability. Neuromuscular disability, the persons suffering from cognitive disability, it creates hindrance in an individual to store, process, and produce the information. Okay, the person is not able to store, process, and produce the information. Okay, the person who suffer from cognitive disability, cognitive learning disability, he is not able to store, process, and produce new information. The persons who suffer from cognitive disability, he face difficulty in, is not able to store the information. If he is not able to store the information, then he is not able to process. If he is not able to process, then he will not able to produce the new informations. Therefore, he face difficulties. He face difficulties in reading, writing, and speaking. The persons who face from cognitive disability is not able to store, process, and produce the informations. Therefore, he face difficulty in reading, writing, and speaking. This is about the cognitive disability. Next is intellectual disability. Intellectual disability means related to his IQ level. The IQ level of a person is low. The person who suffer from intellectual disability, he face difficulty in communications, learning, problem solving, etc. The persons face difficulty in thought process, is not able to think properly, not able to communicate. Okay, he face difficulty in thought process, communication problem, learning problems, not able to remember properly. He face problem in making right judgment, is not able to make right judgment, problem solving, etc. His IQ level is low. These are the three types of physical, this type of disability. Disability, it is an impairment. Okay, disability, it is an impairment, disadvantage, which does not permit an individual to functions any activities or movement in a normal way. For example, if a person is blind, then he is completely blind. Disability, it can't be cured, it is permanent. Disability, it is of three types. Physical impairment means the person is not able to use his upper or lower limb, means general related to body part, muscular skeletal system, circulatory system, respiratory system, etc. Is not able to use his upper limb, lower limb. It generally occurs during birth or during a person's lifetime due to accident, injury, illness, etc. Cognitive disability, the persons who suffer from cognitive disability, he face difficulty in difficulty to store, process, and produce the informations. Means the person suffer from dyslexia. The person who suffer from dyslexia, he face problem in reading, writing, and speaking. Okay, therefore the persons who suffer from cognitive disability, he face difficulty in store, process, and producing the informations. Therefore, he face difficulty in reading, writing, and speaking. Intellectual disability, the person who suffer from intellectual disability, he face difficulty in thought process, difficulty in learning, communicating, problem solving, is not able to solve, is not able to make right judgment, etc. This is about the type of disabilities. Next is cause of disabilities. There are various cause of disabilities. It may be due to genetic factors. The cause of disability, what are the cause? Cause of disability. It may be due to genetic factors. Okay, due to genetic, it may be from his parents to the child, due to accident, if there is any accident or mishappening, it may lead to disability, cancer, heart attack, disease, diabetes, disease must due to disease, malnutrition, due to malnutritions, due to war, due to pesticide, etc. These are the some cause of disability. Disability, it may be due to heredity from parents to the child, due to accident. If there is any accident, then it leads to disability. Due to cancers, if there is any cancer, heart attack, due to heart attack, due to disease, malnutrition, if the child does not take proper diet, it leads to disability. War, if there is any war, etc. Pesticide, if a person take any poison, drugs, smoking, etc. Any poisonous chemicals. This is about the cause of disability.